Let's make lobster mac and cheese. Heat your pan with some water and olive oil, and we're going to blanch our lobster so we could get a nice pretty orange color on the outside. Go ahead and add your pasta to the same water that you blanch your lobster in. You want the flavor of seafood, so that's the best bet to do that. Go ahead and season your salmon with whatever seasonings you like. Season both sides, and then you're going to set that to the side. I use Flavor of God seasonings if you wanted to know. Now you're going to dice your onions so you can start making your roux. Heat your pan, and then you're going to add some butter, and then add your onions to that. Now don't burn your butter like me, but if you do, just make sure it's not black, or else you're going to have to start all over. Add your minced garlic, go in with some more butter, and then your flour, and then mix until it starts to stick to the bottom of the pan. And when it does, you're going to follow with some heavy whipping cream. Mix that and let that sit for about 5 minutes. Now you're going to add your green seasoning and some clam juice so that you could get the flavor of seafood. You're going to let that sit for about 5 minutes and then start to season your roux. Use whatever seasonings you like again. I went in with some paprika and some Old Bay. Let that sit for about 5 minutes and then follow with your cheese. Parmesan cheese first, mix that, and then mozzarella and cheddar, and mix that again. Let that sit for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add that to your pasta, set to the side. Now we're going to heat our pan, add some olive oil and some of our compound butter, and then we're going to sear our salmon. I like a good hard sear on mine, but everybody's different. Do what you like. Follow with your shrimp and then your lobster. For the lobster, you're just kind of going to toss it because it's going to cook in the lobster mac and cheese. Now for the lobster tail, I use lemon juice, compound butter, and olive oil. Stick that in the oven at 450 degrees. Now we're going to add our pasta, some lobster, some more pasta, add our cheese, mozzarella and cheddar, add some more lobster, and top with parsley. Put that in the oven. When we put it in the oven, we're going to pull out our lobster tails and our salmon, and then we're going to begin to plate, and everything should look exactly like this. Make sure you squeeze some lemon juice on top of your lobster tails and on top of your salmon when you pull it out. Trust me, it makes a difference. Enjoy.